Messi visit chaos. Lionel Messi's brief Kolkata appearance triggers fan unrest and vandalism at Salt Lake Stadium. Manohar Parrikar Jayanti, CM Pramod Sawant pays floral tribute, remembering former leaders' contributions. Goa UP Legislative Meet. Speaker Ganesh Gaonkar meets UP Speaker Satish Mahana to discuss coordination. Drug bust in Pernane. Belarusian woman arrested with 1.3 to 1 kilograms DMT worth 1 crore rupees. Scrapyard fire case. Joe's family denies financial links with scrapyard owner, claims long opposition, demands demolition. Arpora tragedy, statements of 50 people recorded in ongoing investigation. Hotels, homestays, hospitals must report foreign guests within 24 hours, 50,000 rupee fine per violation. Voter list update. Goa completes SIR, draft electoral roll to be released on 16th December. Illegal event held without permissions or fire NOC, authorities powerless, alleges our President Amit Palekar. Vegator Club sealed, CO2 nightclub shut by Joint Enforcement Monitoring Committee over safety violations.